these geese launch, each bird is on its own, straining to lift its weight with sheer muscle. But the effort soon organizes into a V formation with the birds aligned in an offset string. We've all seen geese and other large birds fly in a V or echelon formation. Perhaps we wondered at the reason. Like everyone who flies to get from one place to another, birds are subject to the rules of fluid physics. Like water, air is a fluid, though much less dense. A wing is a structure with a flat bottom and a curved top. So the air passing across the top of the wing has farther to go in the same length of time as the air passing beneath. Therefore, it has to go faster. And faster fluids have a lower internal pressure than slower ones, so that creates a partial vacuum above the wing, producing lift. But wing dynamics aren't quite that simple. The air under the wing wants to join the lower pressure air above the wing, so it spins around the wingtip, making a vortex. From a bird's viewpoint, it's possible to position yourself just off the tip of the wing ahead of you, and at the sweet spot in the vortex trail of that wing, the upwash zone. Is the boost, the extra lift you enjoy maintaining that sweet spot, worth the effort? You bet. A study on white pelicans showed a 70% gain in efficiency from formation flying. You'll see the lead bird here flap longer than the bird in trail. But who breaks trail for the leader? Nobody. So the lead bird works harder than everybody else. That's why the lead changes frequently. Watch the lead bird in the trailing group of 5 take a breather by sliding into the echelon of the larger flight.